Hey everyone, so here we have the Body Pod by Hume Health. They sent this over for me to unbox and review. So here's what the box looks like. It's a smart body composition analyzer, and it'll measure body mass index, body weight, body fat percentage, muscle mass percentage, which are just 4 of their 56 key health metrics that they track. And on the back, here's even more of those metrics. We got metabolic age, body fat percentage, body water percentage, body weight, body mass index, bone mass, visceral fat, body fat mass, basal metabolic rate, muscle weight, muscle mass, protein rate, weight without fat, protein mass, subcutaneous fat, standard weight, and weight control. So it monitors more than just weight. Reach your health goals with access to 56 vital body metrics. It has precise accuracy, patent technology to ensure highest accuracy. It integrates with popular fitness apps, compatible with Hume watches, the Apple Health app, Google Fit, and other fitness apps. Then there's a QR code you can scan, and there's the scale. And that's pretty much all that's on the outside of this package. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Bottom here. So here we have some foam covering. And then there's the body analyzer covered in plastic. And here is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And that's all that's in the box, so nice and simple. So let me just get this out. So here's the Hume Health Body Pod. It's a nice rounded square. It's got handles with this pulley cable. And there's some instructions on getting started. There's a diagram here. The cable should be nice and taut. Charge for 5 minutes or more if it's not turning on. Just gonna peel this off. Cool. So on the packaging, on the back, there's that QR code you could scan to download the app. So just get your phone out in the camera mode and scan. And then we're going to download the Hume Health app. And here's some welcome information. Welcome to Hume Health. And you can see your progress in action. Reach your goals when you know exactly what to tackle. So let's go ahead and sign up. Then we're gonna confirm our details. Unlock your body's secrets. Let's pair your scale. You're only 2 steps away from truly understanding your body composition. Make sure your scale is on and displaying zeros. Okay, so it recognized our body pod. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to connect, and success. Body pod is now connected and our scale is ready. Take a step on the scale, grab onto the handles. So our weighing is complete. We're at 177.3. And here's our dashboard where we can see all sorts of different information. My basal metabolic rate is 1648. My fat percentage is 30.8%. And my muscle mass is 114.2 pounds. Looks like I can set up a goal, counts my steps, sleep, nutrition. So I want to dive deeper into the measurements. So here you see my weight, body fat, lean mass, basal metabolic rate, body mass index, etc. You can see how it compares as you weigh in. All right, so here we have some of the key metrics. Our fit focus, weight 177.3 pounds, and it gives us a scale as to what low is and what very high is, and you want to fall right there in the standard in the green. So I'm on the higher end of high, so we got some work to do. Same with body fat percentage, we're at 30.8%. I want to bring it down to around 25 at least, so we gotta lose 5% body fat. And then lean muscle mass, 114.2 pounds. Basal metabolic rate, 1648 calories. Body mass index, 29.5. So I can see what my muscle mass is and where my body fat is. If you go deeper, there's the biometric analysis. And then here, interestingly, is body breakdown. So you can see exactly how many pounds of fat mass or muscle mass are in your arms, legs, torso. So something cool here from the measures tab, there's this metrics breakdown where we can see it all in data. But if we tap body, we can see exactly an overview of metabolic age, my actual age, my height. So I can see that my metabolic age is higher than my age, so that could be improved. And then here I can see how I am in terms of muscle. So pretty solid all around. But when it comes to fat, I can see that I'm very high in my arms and a little high trunk, legs. It's a solid wake-up call, something that we can definitely improve on. And that's where you'll see me during the year. I'll vlog about it and show you exactly what to do to bring it down. So I've been using the Hume Health Body Pod for 2 weeks now, and it's done a great job at keeping me accountable. It's helping me see exactly where my progress is on my fitness journey. So when I did that first weigh-in 2 weeks ago, I saw that a lot of areas were very high. I was high in body fat and I was high in weight. And what was really helpful is that I was able to understand exactly how much fat I had and how much muscle mass I had. So I spent the last 2 weeks working hard at the gym and eating well, and there's certainly been some great results. And I've been able to see all of that on the Hume Health Body Pod. Every single Monday when I wake up, the first thing I do after I use the restroom is I get on the scale, step on the plate, grab the handles, make sure my arms are straight, just like the diagram shows. And I want to make sure that I don't work out or I don't eat anything before I get on that scale so that all my readings are consistent. And once I get all that information, I'm stoked because I know that if I've been doing exactly what I need to do, this showcases all of those results. So here on my graph, you can see my progress so far. I started at 177.3 pounds and then I dropped down to 173.4 down to 170.7. So my progress has been very steady and this is keeping track of that. But on a typical scale, I don't know if I'm just losing a bunch of muscle and fat. So here with the Hume Health Body Pod, I can see that actually with the lean mass, which is what we want to have more of, I'm going up. So 114.2 is where I started, 114.3, I'm at 116.6. So in my working out, I'm making sure I'm eating a lot of protein, I'm lifting, and I'm doing all sorts of great stuff to help improve my body. Yeah, it's really cool. And it's nice and motivating to see all these numbers showing how well I'm doing. So I know that it's hard to go to the gym or eat well, but all of those little choices go a long way. And every time I step onto that scale and I see the progress I've made, then I'm just reassured that the process is working. So I love it. I'm going to use it every week in my vlog where I'm documenting all of what I'm doing to improve my body composition. You can check that out in the playlist right over here. So if you're interested in getting a Hume Health Body Pod for yourself, you can use my discount code KEV for a discount. And if you have any comments or questions, let me know below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.